Hello learners! In this video lesson, we will be discussing about the differences between elements and compounds. Before we begin, let us have a short recap what are matter, atom, and pure substances. Matter is a substance that takes up space and has mass. All matter is made up of atoms, which are in turn made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Atoms come together to form molecules. Matter can be classified into two. We have mixture and pure substance. But today, we will be focusing on the topic about the two types of pure substances. The objectives of this video lesson is that at the end of this video, you will be able to differentiate elements and compounds based on their composition from the given chemical names and formulas of elements and compounds. So without further ado, let's begin. Pure substances are substances that are made up of only one kind of particles and have a fixed or constant structure. Pure substances are further classified into elements and compounds. Elements and compounds are always homogeneous and have a definite composition. But what are the differences between elements and compounds? Let us define first what is an element. Element is the simplest kind of matter. Element is a substance that consists of only one type or kind of atom. It cannot be broken down into simpler form of matter by either physical or chemical means. Compounds, on the other hand, are also pure substances that consist of two or more kinds of atoms. Compounds can be broken down into simpler form of matter by chemical means. Let us classify some important pure substances that we have probably used or encountered. Okay, let's have the carbon. Carbon is also the key ingredient for most life on Earth. It has a symbol of letter C. So, carbon belongs to what type of pure substance? Very good. It's element because carbon consists of only one type or kind of atom. Next we have mercury with the symbol of H and G. It is shiny, silvery, liquid metal, sometimes called quicksilver. Is mercury an element or compound? Very good again. It is an element. Now, let's try the third one. Hydrochloric acid, or commonly called as muriatic acid. It is a very strong acid that has many uses. It can be used for various industries as cleaning and pickling, for water treatment and additives. But did you know that our stomach secretes hydrochloric acid that helps your body to break down, digest, and absorb nutrients such as protein? Yes, you heard it right. This substance consists of two different elements, the hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrochloric acid has a chemical symbol of H for hydrogen and Cl for chlorine. So, which type of substance a hydrochloric acid belongs? Very good. It is definitely a compound. The next one that we have is magnesium. It is an important mineral. Its many functions include helping with muscle and nerve function, regulating blood pressure, and supporting the immune system. Its symbol is Mg. So, magnesium belongs to which type of a pure substance? Very good. It is an element because it has only one kind of atom. Next, we have table sugar. Sugar is scientifically known as sucrose. It consists of 12 atoms of carbon, 22 atoms of hydrogen, and 11 atoms of oxygen. It can be written in this molecular formula. So, is this substance an element or compound? Very good. It is definitely a compound. So next we have sodium hydroxide. It is also known as lye and caustic soda. These can be used as ingredients in making soaps and detergents, and used as a drain cleaner. This pure substance has a chemical formula of Na, O, and H. It consists of sodium, oxygen, and hydrogen. Is this substance an element or compound? Very good. It is compound because it has a different types of atom. Next one we have potassium hydroxide, or known as caustic potash. It is used in a wide variety of industrial applications. Its chemical formula is KOH. K represents as potassium, O means oxygen, and H as hydrogen. So, is this substance an element or compound? That's right, it is a compound. Our next example is a colorless gas, odorless, tasteless gas produced by burning gasoline, wood, propane, charcoal, or other fuel. It is called carbon monoxide, and it consists of one atom of carbon and one atom of oxygen. If you are going to write it, this is the chemical formula of carbon monoxide. Now, is this substance an element or compound? You got it right. That is a compound because there are two types of atom. Next, we have dry ice. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide with a chemical formula of CO2, comprising two oxygen atoms bonded to a single carbon atom. So, is a carbon dioxide an element or a compound? Very good. It is a compound. Lastly, we have copper. Copper is widely used as a conductor of heat and electricity, and as a building material. Copper has chemical symbol of Cu and has only one kind of atom. In your idea, is a copper an element or a compound? Very good, an element. Okay, to summarize what we have learned today, we will use this Venn diagram. Let's have first their similarities. Elements and compounds are always homogeneous and have definite composition. You are right. Now, what about their differences? Let's go first with the elements. Element is a substance that consists of only one type or kind of atom. It cannot be broken down into simpler form of matter by either physical or chemical means. Now let's answer the other side, which is compound. Compounds are also pure substances that are consist of two or more kinds of atoms. Compounds can be broken down into simpler form of matter by chemical means. Alright, so it seems you have fun and learn on this video lesson. I think we can now proceed to our next video lesson that will tackle about the history and basis of naming elements. So I hope to see you again in our next video lesson. I wish everyone to have a great day. Bye!